Are you making these mistakes with your pet birds? Let's fix them today. Mistake number 1, using a cage that's too small. Birds need space to move and flap their wings. Mistake 2, feeding only seeds. A balanced diet with fruits, veggies, and pellets is essential. Mistake 3, not spending time with your birds. They thrive on attention and interaction. Mistake 4, no toys in the cage. Birds get bored easily. Add swings, bells, and shreddable toys. Learn from these mistakes and keep your birds happy and healthy. Follow for more bird care tips. Learn from these mistakes and keep your birds happy and healthy. Like this video if it helped. And if you want to know what the perfect cage setup looks like, ask in the comments below.